Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god! What the hell? So impatient.
Dapat ko. Uy! Sa Manila, lagi ako nagpumotor.
Ayaw mo.
Pero hindi ako nag-yan.
Guys, I'm scared na motor. But I'm so scared. Okay, napagod ako. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna work out this morning here in Siargao. Second day. Our second day mag-workout kami because we are very responsible students.
Hanggang second day lang yan, guys. Wala nang third, fourth, fifth, sixth,
Guys, good freaking morning. Guess what we're doing right now? You will not guess where we're going right now. Hey, girls. Okay, kasi yun na. Teka lang. Hey, guys, guess what we're doing right now? You're not gonna guess. We're gonna go swimming. Let's go! Okay guys, so kakatapos lang namin mag-ayos ni Yans. We're supposed to go to Cloud9 and Cloud9 is just there, like malapit lang siya, pero we're gonna grab barbecue first because we're so hungry. Oh, that's we're gonna grab barbecue first because we're so hungry. Anyway, so kami na tumigat.
Kaya na ako.
Ew! So gross!
Guys, our room is so cool. Hey guys! Welcome to my home. This is my humble home.
Casa.
I've been craving for barbecue. Buti na paglabas namin ni Yana. May, bango. Naamoy ko agad yung barbecue eh. Ay, may nasukat. Binigyan kami ni Kuya ng free taste ng lugaw.
Sarap ma.
Ay, ang sarap po. Finally, it's 4:20 PM.
Guys, 3 oras po nag-ayos ng mukha si Steve.
We're here na sa Cloud9. Hindi kami magsusurf dito. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, we just finished swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Uwi muna kami ulit sa hotel. And then after that, we're going to CFC, right? Yes. Yeah, we're going to CFC kasi doon kami magdi-dinner and doon din kami iinom. So, yeah, we're going back now. Ito ang demonyo ko. Mag-diet na ako. Siya nagkakakas. Boy, yun na. The girls are complete plus workout.
Stance on how to stand on the board. Yung gamitin. So, dalawang stance na gamitin.
Hey guys, so right now we're in Salvacion. Magsasurf kami. And grab, I'm not having the best morning. A different level of surfing na yung gagawin namin. If sa LU, nasa may shore lang kami. Sa Siargao. We're taking it to another level. I don't know what we're waiting for. Look at my position. Hey guys. It's 12. Tapos na kami mag-surf. And now we're eating in Ocean 1 Island.
Dynamite po. Can't you be present for...
Sige po. Thank you. So, right now, nagme-makeup na kami because Rachel and I are gonna take photos today. And then sila Yana and sila Nadia, they're gonna eat dinner. Kami ni Rach, ayaw na namin yung dinner muna. Because we've been eating a lot ever since we arrived here. Actually, no. Ever since Davao, kain na kami ng kain. So, we gotta chill on that. Outfit of the night. We're gonna have lunch first here sa Siargao. Grabe, last night I was so out of it. And guess who arrived?
today. Hi guys.
Yeah.
I mean, dyan lang naman eh.
Half of my face.
It's 10 a.m. and we're walking to go to the Corgi Cafe. So excited to see the dogs! We're in Kalinao. Hello!
What's this one? Ito. Elephant snake.
Moshi, say hi!
Remove your...
Hello, good morning! Good morning from the people at the back. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog the past 2 days because it's so fun. I've been enjoying my life here. Pero babawi ako. And today we're going to the north. We're gonna surf. So excited!
Me too. It's my first time, guys. Sila
Yeah.
kasi nakapag-surf na sila in GL.
Yeah,
But
and we're surfing in the north.
yeah, dumayo kami here.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be.
We're also tired. And we're gonna party tonight kasi last day na ni Aliana. So we're gonna go to Sugar Beach Club for her farewell party. Farewell party. Good morning, beautiful people. I'm tired. I've been on this island. Ilang araw na ako dito. Pagod na ako. Gusto ko na lang matulog. Pahinga. I ordered banana Nutella with the flash.
Tiffany's so tired. Tiffany? So, I took over kasi sabi ko, oh my God, ang tamad mo mag-vlog. So, ako na lang para sa kanya. Kahit wala na akong boses.
Good afternoon. Sobrang sarap ng nap ko. Oh my God. Nag-nap ka rin, no?
Si, sobrang sarap. Ang tagal daw natin nagising Irving. Tsaka ni Murphy.
Ikaw nararamdaman. Ganon ako kapagod. Parang ever since I got here, wala na akong ginawa kundi matulog, kumain, at maglasing. Guys, there's Pongo.
100 sir, for 6 sir.
Secret Lagoon again. Sobrang gutom na kami, guys. What the hell? Gutom ka na. I'm so freaking hungry.
Hindi pa coffee ang aga ng call time. Like, it's not us.
This time around kasi, hindi na siya private. Parang sumali kami sa joiners. And ang mga ginoin namin, ang mga afam. May nakita ko dito ang mga long sleeves. And it says Siargao. And I'm planning to get one.
I'm gonna whip ya.
Okay, so we're here in Mapungko Beach, whatever you call it. I think we're supposed to swim, pero ayoko na mag-swimming, gusto kong kumain. There, this is their Salog menu. Guys, mapasa na ba akong local? Pero we're gonna boodle fight later. Kaso, boodle fight natin kasama yung mga kamay ng iba. So, we're here at Sugba Lagoon.
Lapa?
Ay, Lapa. It's very Maginat Jackson. That's why papunta kami sa Sugba Lagoon. And yeah, that's it. Sobrang haba ng pila. Charang. It's full of foragers. Hey guys, so we're at Sugba Lagoon and kakatapos ko lang mag cliff diving and oh, that was so bad. Tapos na yung tour namin and we're at our last stop. Oh, may taho! Oh my god! So apparently, our flight's been cancelled.
It's both cancelled, but we have option tomorrow morning and to rebook.
No,
Kaya
ako
lang,
wala akong option to rebook
wala
tomorrow morning.
wala siyang option
The
to
day
rebook
after
tomorrow.
pa.
I feel like mauuna na ako, guys.
Hello, babe.
Oh, what's up?
Cancel yung flight ko. Babe, na-cancel yung flight ko. Do you know how much money I have left?
Magkano na lang?
I don't even know.
May baka 50 pesos. Ano ba naiwan? Wala nang tao? Kayong dalawa na lang?
Yeah.
Oo, babe. Kaya lang kasi ako, babe, may option ako na umalis tomorrow morning.
Ah, bakit ikaw may option siya wala?
Na hindi nag-a-appear sa system niya.
Diba dapat i-compensate yun ng Sebak because they canceled it? Hey guys, I know I look so bad right now. So, huwag nyo nang pansinin. Sobrang dami kong pinagdaanan for today's video. But anyways, since na-cancel nga yung flight namin, we had to find another place to book. The owner lives here, so buti binigay nila sa amin yung place. And we have such a nice view, like, yum. It's so nice. Thank you so much, Payag Sweets. Good afternoon. Wait, my glasses are so moist. Hey, you guys. We're here na sa boardwalk and we're done taking pictures. We're here in the boardwalk. We're at Drunken Sushi. I actually don't like sushi. Like, I don't eat sushi.
Goodbye, Siargao! I'm so sad. I can't believe I'm leaving.
Alis na ako because my flight is way earlier than Marcos. So I'm leaving this place and I don't wanna leave yet. I can't believe I'm leaving right now. I don't wanna leave yet. No! Bye, Siargao! I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna come back, I promise. I'm in Dramanila.
Hey, we're back.
But yeah, on the way na kami pauwi. And, oh my god, I miss Siargao. I'm having the post-Siargao depression. Arte! So, I just got home from Davao and Siargao. I'm so very excited to stay here ng matagal because alis na ako ng alis and I think it's really time for me to, you know, settle down and aalis ulit kami tonight because it's Marcos' birthday sa Lubong. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my Siargao vlog, and if you like these types of videos, like travel videos, wag na, kasi gagastos ako.